So today we're doing a New Yorker. For New York, New York! At the end of this, we're going to shake with cracked ice, drop a twist of orange peel into each glass, spoonful of claret, maybe floated on top if desired. Another drink, sometimes called a New Yorker, consists of a medium Manhattan with a few dashes of Curaçao, with the twist of orange peel, which sounds disgusting. So we're going to start off with 1 part Grenadine. We're going to do 2 parts lime juice. We're not doing fresh because I'm feeling lazy. To finalize this baby, we're doing 8 parts of Bullet. Straight up can be any type of whiskey. I contemplated a couple other different kinds. Bullet is our go-to. We're going to stick with that. Top it all off with some ice. Then obviously we gotta shake them up. Alright, now let's see what this looks like. Quite red, kind of pink. Not what I expected. We're here, testing out what's called a New Yorker, is what I've made.
A New Yorker!
Yep.
Quite fancy.
So, let us know your thoughts.
Quite good.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Kind of tastes just like a whiskey sour a little bit. But like weird.
A little bit sweeter.
Yeah.
There's no smell
Yeah.
to it.
It's weird. What you don't know is that there are 8 parts whiskey to 2 parts lime juice to 1 part Grenadine.
Wow.
That's where the red comes from. But it doesn't even taste like whiskey.
Yeah, no, it doesn't at all. It's crazy. It's quite good.
Yeah. It's interesting. I'd rather just have whiskey because I like whiskey.
I do like whiskey.
I like whiskey sours. Oh, and old fashions. Yeah, like
Yes!
you said, this is very old
Old
fashioned.
fashions are great.
It's like a more sour old fashioned.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair.
Quite.
So for a more sour old fashioned that you could have on a hot summer day,
That's good.
flourish it, feel it,
New Yorker, huh?
do it.
The New Yorker.